In today's sneak peek, we are proud to announce that our designers and developers are hard at work bringing a new and improved color management system to Divi. Divi's new color management system will be a massive improvement for designers wanting to easily use a consistent and harmonious color palette throughout their website. Of course, Divi already makes it easy for users to save their preferred color palettes in their theme options and retrieve those colors in different Divi modules. But this new and improved color manager will bring powerful new functionality that is sure to save time and improve your color choices. Divi's new color management system will make choosing the right color easier in any situation. Where Divi's color management system separates itself from the current one is with two new functions that make creating and iterating on your color choices fast and easy, not only giving you the confidence to experiment like never before, but the ability to end up with better results. We're all familiar with saved colors, which is part of our current color management system. But the new color management system also saves recent colors. It will identify and save the 8 most recently used colors throughout the Divi builder so that you can quickly and easily view and select them for whatever element you'd like to add a splash of color to next. Then things get really interesting with Divi's new suggested color feature, which analyzes the colors you've already saved or used and provides you with a palette of suggestions that complement them, taking the guesswork out of finding secondary or complementary colors to those you've already used. We're excited to make this new color management system a reality for Divi users everywhere. We're confident that its new functionality will be a game changer, like having a designer on hands at all time to help with one of web design's trickiest tasks, color selection. We hope you're excited too, and as always, we can't wait to see what you think of this fun and useful new feature that's currently in the works. Let us know what you think and how this will affect your web design work in the comments.